What do you have so far, Lili?
Oh, so you put those on.
The little legs.
Yeah.
That keeps it steady, huh?
Mhm.
And then you put the base into those.
Yes. Found where it is. Ow, this is a really hard part.
So we pull the tree out so we can put out the branches. Now that peg goes into that hole, and you can pull out these branches. Yeah, right, Stilly? What's that part, Stilly? Is that the top?
This is the top. This looks like it.
Oh,
this
we
is
must
where
have
this-
an extra little piece to a tree.
Like a tree.
Alright, so there's that little pole.
Goes
Goes
in.
right into there. And then you can pull all the branches out, huh, little bud?
Hey, Dad, can you take a second and please? It's way too hard for me.
To pull those top parts out?
Uh-huh.
Alright, here, you run the camera.
Okay.
Alright, Lila's running the camera, and I'm holding Zaylee, who's excited for her first Christmas, right, Zaylee? Is that right, Zaylee?
Remember our kid safari about Daily? Wasn't that fun?
We had a kid safari about Zaylee right after she was born.
Yep.
Let's turn this piece with the tag into the back. What do you say?
Okay.
And so we're going to try to spread out all these branches and make it look more like a real tree. Some people buy real trees, huh, Lili?
Yeah.
And that's cool. They can be a bit messy, and it can be a little bit more costly because you have to buy a new one every year. We like this one because it saves money, and it's a little bit less messy, and it looks nice.
Yep. This is Miss.
There's Mrs. Claus.
Uh-huh.
So first thing we want to do is actually wrap up the lights around the tree, because those can go deep inside of it. And then we can add garlands or any other thing that you can drape around the tree, around and around and around. Then you can hang ornaments.
Mhm.
Okay, so let's pull those branches out first, okay? Pull all those branches out.
Oh, these are not pulled
Below
out.
those and below those. All those, look at those. Yeah,
Oh,
those didn't come
yeah.
down. And then spread them all out. Can you help spread them out, Stilly?
Well, I'm holding on to the light, so I can't.
Okay,
Oh, cool.
but you can put it on the tree if you want.
So we're gonna get on here, and my dad is gonna put some lights on, and it's gonna look pretty good.
Sure is.
Because we all know lights on Christmas trees are pretty good.
Oh yeah.
They look good to me. And here we have our other, oh look at those lights. So here we have our other Christmas stuff. Miss Santa Claus, which is like where Santa Claus married Santa. Miss Sarah Claus. Mrs. Claus. And here we have some like other stuff, which is like a necklace that's glowing, Spider-Man, and some like things. And let's see that over here we have right here. These things are the difference from these right here. So we've got these. These are like kind of like snowman and polar bear and maybe some like snowflake stuff. And here's my dad putting it on the trees. Doesn't it look bright and cool? All
does.
for Christmas.
Dad, can we touch those?
Yeah, they're not hot.
Okay.
Stelly's just gonna touch some. I want to feel one too. Close up. Not really hot.
Nope. They're safe.
Cool. And little Z is just right here looking at Daddy.
And the yellow ones and the orange ones.
Yeah, Daddy. Are you a cute little baby, right?
And the blue ones.
Yeah. Hey, baby.
The blues.
Hey, baby. Oh. Okay.
Dad, I'm looking in the tree.
next it's actually easiest to start doing things that you wrap the tree with.
Okay.
Because then we can hang stuff a little more easily instead of hanging this stuff over all the ornaments.
So next we're gonna look at little Z.
So Lila, how do you decide where to put a decoration?
Oh, it was like we wrapped the rest and now we're doing the ornaments.
Ornaments, yeah. Do you like putting on the ornaments, Deli? Is it a lot of fun?
Yeah. This is a baby baby snowman.
Aww, like our baby snowman.
But she's not really a snowman.
No.
But she is a baby. That's true.
There is. Alright, let's keep doing our decorations.
This is a message to Santa. This is actually a real candy cane that you can eat. So it says it's okay if you eat the candy cane.
Wow, that's really nice, Lili.
And here's a little picture of him that's taping it here.
That's so cool. What a neat use of that stamp.
Hey, Stelly, hold the other end.
The last part on a tree is the star that goes on top.
Not all of it, Stelly.
Oh, can you guys reach? I even have Lysander and Stellan on
Stelly,
a
hold
chair
I
so they can reach up here.
It's too
Let
hot.
him hold it. Give it to Sally.
Okay, Stelly.
Alright, little Stellan's holding it and Mama's lifting him up.
Stelly, let me hold it too.
Okay,
Let him hold it too.
Don't do any
There
strain.
we go.
The star at the top.
the star at the top
Shining right down.
because
Let's hope it stays.
it's all about Jesus' birth. In the story of Jesus' birth, there was a star that led people to.
Pick your nose.
And there's the candy cane.
Stelly, no, keep that on. It's for Santa. That's why there's even a picture of it for him. See? Picture for Santa.
Well, there's our tree.
Stelly, stop. That's for
No,
Santa.
I'll put it higher.
They're fighting over the candy cane for Santa
I'll
Claus.
put it higher, Lysander.
Stelly, can you say thanks for watching Kid Safari?
Thanks for watching Kids
No,
Safari.
I'm gonna say it too. Thanks for watching Kids Safari.
Lysander, I'll put it somewhere where it's high.
Okay,
Merry
put it
Christmas.
Merry Christmas.